the WickerShire project for the Ford Hook Zucchini Wash 2024 Challenge. So I think what we're going to do with these for the Ford Hook Zucchini Grow Big TV 2024 is on the back of my coop, which gets the most nutrients from my chickens. I think we're just going to plant them straight across here, facing west. It's not ideal, but it's going to have to do, as this is our vining area. I'm not doing pumpkins this year, and that'll be 5 to 6 foot vines. So we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 6 of them planted. So the only advice I can give you is that pointed tip, straight down. You plant them about 1 inch. That's it. You put them in a little bit of compost and super soil. You keep them watered until they germinate. Once they pop up a couple of inches, you're all set to go. And just check on them every once in a while. What's going to happen is in a month of growth, you're going to feed them again with a little bit of fertilizer or compost. Just sprinkle it on top. On each of these, just a tiny pinch of blood meal and bone meal. Just a small pinch every month. All my Ford hooks are in. Good luck to the WickerShire project. Thanks for watching the WickerShire project, and get your Grow Big on this year. See you later.